Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a bit of an upgrade slash update on something I had on here before, but it didn't work out quite the way I wanted to, so I went with a different plan. So hang tight for a quick moment and we'll come back, show you what we did. Alright, can you see the white that's wearing, or used to be black, now it's turning white around the edges? I don't really like that, and the velcro is not the best. A lot of times if I get on the highway I gotta stop and pull it back down, make sure it's tight. So we're gonna replace it with this, just in case you want the part numbers. Alright, we started by rolling up the top here, and then we gotta take these off. We got 1, 2, 3, and then there's 3 more on the other side. So we'll take those off real fast and get this one off here. What is it? Alright, now let's see what's in the new box. Alright, looks like we got the cover in some sort of a bag. That's kind of cool. And we got some weather sealing, which will be very helpful. So let's get this put on, or taken out of the bag here, and we'll start putting it on. Alright, just wanted to test fit it first. That bow will go away once it's tied down better. So let's fold it back up and start tying it in there. What we want is this to be up in this groove, and then we just tighten that up. What I'm doing right here is these clips near the tailgate of the cover. They kind of clip up similar to what the other ones do. You just got to tighten them up first. So right. It has enough tension on it. That's pretty tight. Should be the end of it. So I think that'll be a much better, much more sturdy too. We'll try that for a bit and see how it works out. All right, everything's installed. Took it for a ride, about 3 days worth of highway driving. It's still quite solid. As I was mentioning before, one of the biggest reasons is the Velcro on the side, or the biggest reasons we changed this out is the Velcro on the sides wasn't the best. It would come up at highway speeds. This is all solid, so that won't happen. This one's a tri-fold, so it'll fold here and here, which I wish it would go up to the window as well, but it doesn't. But that's okay. This should work. Someday maybe I'll get like the full aluminum retractable one or whatever they call them, but I think this will work for now. Appreciate everybody watching. We'll talk to you next time.